Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and today's tip about mastering the body has to do with the question, why can't I eat that food anymore? Well, there's two major reasons why we become incompatible with different types of foods. The first is that your frequency is changing. There's less solidness, there's less of a barrier between you and what you're eating. Therefore, your increased sensitivity is going to pick up more about the food, how it was grown, distributed, how it was cooked, that sort of thing. That increased sensitivity is going to affect also how food tastes. A second problem is your guardian angels. Your guardian angels, I see them as keeping their little black books, and every time you've died in a past life, especially if it was a food poisoning or something, somebody slipped some poison into the red wine and you croaked, they are going to put it in their book. Red wine, dangerous, stay away. So for the next 2 or 3 lifetimes, guess what? You're allergic to red wine. It happens. Those past life deaths catch up with us. We got to get rid of their little black books. I with LifeWeaving, I always cleared the guides and guardian angels, actually, in order to clear away any of these types of problems. Those are the two ways that we become more sensitive. And yes, getting older, our digestive systems have changed, so that's part of it too. But know that as you're sensitive at one point, you can go back to that food later most of the time. It's like a phase we go through as we become lighter, as we become less dense. So it's not bad. The one thing you should try to avoid is refined sugar. It's not at all good. It really scrambles the circuits as far as intuition and any psychic sense that you might be developing. And then there's more of a need for protein, and that is to help keep us grounded as we work. So if you're vegan or vegetarian, you have to work really hard to get more protein in, and everybody needs to work hard to keep the sugar out. Okay, that is why can't I eat that food anymore? I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment or a question, and we'll get back. Have a good day.